All right, so 10.1 is a pretty long section, so I'm going to kind of break it up into parts. So today we are going to just worry about intercepts. So to find the x-intercept, you replace y with 0. Right, and then solve for x. So let's say we have the equation 9x squared plus 16y squared equals 144. So we're going to replace y with 0. Right, so 16 times 0 cancels out. You have 9x squared equals 144. Divide by 9. So x squared equals 16. Square root both sides. So x would equal plus or minus 4. Right, so now we're going to do the y-intercept. So for y-intercept, you replace x with 0. And then solve for y. So let's use that same equation, 9x squared plus 16y squared is 144. So x is 0. So 9 times 0 is 0, goes away. So then we're left with 16y squared equals 144. Divide by 16. Y squared will equal 9. Square root both sides, so y would equal positive and negative 3. Right, so that is how you find your intercepts. It works for any kind of equation. They won't always be squared equations, but they will be equations. Okay, so now that we've done that, I would like you guys to do problem number 1 on page 192. There are 9 equations in number 1, right? So you're just finding the intercepts. That's all I want you to do today. So page 192, number 1. Right, go ahead and work on that. Just get it uploaded by Monday. You don't have to get it done today because I know I'm posting this later in the afternoon. I'll work on some videos this week. That way you guys can either kind of be ahead, or that way I can post them in the morning for you for next week. All right, please email me with any questions. Hope those of you that are sick feel better. And I can't wait to see everybody when they come back. Also, if you would like to use bonus points, please email me.